In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Stochastic Z-Score, quick and easy. We're going to walk through this step by step inside Tradingview. So even if you're brand new to the platform, you'll be able to follow along and get this indicator onto your chart in just a couple of minutes. First, make sure you're logged in to your Tradingview account and you have any chart open. It can be a stock, crypto, forex pair, or any other asset you like. Once your chart is visible, look toward the top of the screen for the Indicators button. It's usually near the middle of the toolbar above your chart. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This is where all the built-in and community scripts are stored, and it's where you'll find the Stochastic Z-Score. After you click Indicators, a search window will pop up. In the search bar at the top of that window, start typing the words Stochastic Z. You don't need to type the full phrase perfectly. Just make sure you include stochastic and the letter Z. As you type, Tradingview will filter the list of indicators below in real time. Now, in the results list, look for an indicator called Stochastic Z-Score. You may see a few different variations or similar names, but you want the one that clearly says Stochastic Z-Score. When you see it, simply click on it once. As soon as you click, Tradingview will automatically add it to your chart. You should now see a new panel appear, usually below your main price chart, showing the Stochastic Z-Score lines. From here, you can adjust the settings by hovering over the name of the indicator and clicking the settings icon. That's optional, but it's useful if you want to tweak the lengths, colors, or style to better match your trading strategy or make it easier to read. If you plan on using this indicator regularly, consider saving your chart layout so you don't have to add it again each time. You can also combine it with other indicators to build a more complete trading system. If you want to unlock more advanced chart layouts, multiple indicators, and additional tools, make sure to use my affiliate link in the description to sign up for Tradingview Pro. It supports the channel and gives you access to a more powerful trading setup. That's all you need to do to add the Stochastic Z-Score indicator in Tradingview, quick and easy.